Yay, welcome back to my channel. It is another day, and today we are just going to see Safarirally. Before we go to Safarirally, let me show you how beautiful is Gilgil. This my village is one of its kind. It is so beautiful, it is so wonderful, it is magical. When they say magical, Tembea Kenya magic, then this is part of it. Gilgil has potential of every kind of resources. You can see the caves. Imagine Gilgil has caves from the great Riftvally. Gilgil has a lot of things. That's why even the Safarirally, they have decided to choose this place. It doesn't matter when, how. You better enjoy your environment and where you come from. So much for me, I had to. Like any other Kenyan or any other person who has that urge of or yearn for just of the environment of the place, to visit, to see the environment. Yes, that place changes my mind, blows it. It makes me feel like going out there and be myself. Nature never disappoint, and Gilgil, it never disappoint, to be sure. It has great opportunity, it has great things you can imagine. You can escapement. And that is my friend Ruben. Yes. Hey so you can see. Wow, there is road inside there. So guys, you can see this is the escarpment, the real escarpment. Wow. And have it has those moments, just you want to feel them. The moment that you want to get away from the city. It has places that has animals. You can meet a zebra on the road. You can meet a gazelle. Usikie ni record, ina record. Sasa angalia tu hapo kaona.
Ai, mumeshtua mtoto wangu.
Hadi mtu analia. There, anytime where you walk to. So this place is magical and is one of its kind. And I really wish to travel around the world telling these stories. And these stories just come from you. You come from the nature, Mother Nature. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and keep it locked here. See you in the next one.